Looking for one-story living with European style? Check out what house plan 7187 has to offer in its 2,231 square feet. The large bright foyer is flanked on both sides by forward-facing secondary bedrooms. Each is 12 by 12 feet and has windows on 2 walls for plenty of natural light. They also have wide closets with double doors to display wardrobes easily. A nearby bathroom with separate shower space serves these rooms and any guest. The family room has lovely built-ins and a door to a small flex office space in the corner. Homeowners love the modern, open layout that blends all the common areas. As you can see, the kitchen has plenty of counter space and casual dining potential. Notice how appliances are arranged to prevent crowding, and straight back you'll see the door to the large pantry and laundry room for even more storage. The whole great room is quite bright thanks to rear windows. The luxurious master suite is tucked behind a short hall between the kitchen and dining nook and also enjoys rear-facing windows. With a double vanity, separate tub and shower, a private toilet closet, and a huge walk-in closet, you will find tons to appreciate in this bathroom. Step out into the dining area and you will see access to covered outdoor living. The back porch is perfect for relaxing in the fresh air and enjoying whatever you choose for landscape. If you love this tour of house plan 7187, come see it on our site. Please like and subscribe to be notified the next time we upload so you can enjoy more beautiful homes.